Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting tutorial for you on how to disable the Messenger app's notifications. If you find these notifications annoying or distracting, this guide is just what you need. So, let's get started. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the chat bubble icon with a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it, then tap on Install to download and install the app. Once you've signed into the Messenger app, it's time to disable those notifications. Start by going to your device settings. The steps to access settings may vary slightly depending on your device, but generally, you can find it by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping on the gear icon or by finding the Settings app in your app drawer. Perfect. Now, look for the Apps option within your device settings. It might be labeled as Applications or App Manager depending on your device. Once you're in the Apps menu, search for Messenger in the list of installed apps. Tap on the suitable result to access the Messenger app settings. Now, within the Messenger app settings, locate the Notifications option. It may be labeled differently on some devices, but it should generally be located within the app settings. Almost there. Find the option that says Main Notification or something similar. This is the setting we want to disable to turn off the Messenger app's notifications. Finally, simply tap on the toggle switch next to Main Notification to disable it. This will effectively turn off the Messenger app's notifications. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled the Messenger app's notifications. Enjoy a more peaceful and distraction-free experience. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.